As the day turns into night, the on-the-move eateries of Mumbai get busier because it's time to grab a quick bite before reaching home. One such lane is Khao Gully at New Marine Lines. Well, the sun is setting on the pace of Mumbai. It's going to slow down a bit, but before it slows down, there's a mad rush. There's a mad rush for people to go home. They're all going back home from work and they're rushing to the railway station. From Chinese food to pav bhaji to delicious sweets, Khao Gully is filled with a variety of foods. Once there, you cannot leave before trying as much as you can eat. I'm too excited to be here. Let's eat. Okay, I love the name. This one's called Lenin Pav Bhaji. That one's called Lisha. But the thing is about Lenin Pav Bhaji is that it also serves you noodles. Now, I'm not sure how authentically Chinese they are, but they warrant a taste. Ek Szechuan noodle or ek Chinese meal? Half. Let's check it out. Okay, so we've got Chinese bhel. Now you heard of all kind of bhel, but look at this one. I don't know what is in it, but I'm going to try it and tell you. I promise you, nobody in China will recognize this dish. But this is spectacularly good. It's crunchy, it's spicy. And with it, they've served this deadly looking sauce. This is quite nice. Now you try some of these noodles. Now half a plate is a hell of a lot over here. These are Szechuan noodles and they come along with a little bit of gravy, Manchurian bolognese. The best way to do it is this way. Lovely. This too is hot, freshly made, tasty, spicy. This is what I like about this city, what I like about this country. Everyday people making pretty much everyday food for the everyday man. Like these two over here. Salam Saab. Very good. Very good food. And before I end, I have to eat a little more of this Chinese bhel, which is deadly. It's just deadly. So, let's move ahead and see what else there is. Okay, time to check out some rolls. This Munnar roll sounds very nice. I don't understand the fascination for Chinese food that we have. It's not Chinese, but it's damn tasty. Let's try this, okay? So we got a veg Frankie, veg Szechuan Frankie, noodle Frankie, veg cheese Frankie, noodles paneer, mayonnaise. So we try the veg cheese Frankie. Veg cheese Frankie, milega boss? One. Veg cheese Frankie. Thank you, Ji. Thank you. Okay, so let's figure out what's in this. We've obviously got a paratha or a naan roti outside. I can see that there is a lot of cheese in here. Okay? Quite nice. Fattening as hell, but very nice. Okay, now I need something non-vegetarian. And I see a stall over here which has eggs in that. That means they must be doing something nice with eggs. Let's try it. Egg ka kya banayega? Omelette? Omelette. Ek burji banana. The bread has also been nicely heated. Burji pav. What a day it has been. I have stuffed my face on the streets of Mumbai, right outside those hubs which are racy, pacey and fast. The sun may be going down now, but the people, they don't seem to thin out at all. I am not thinning out, I'm pigging out. And the last thing left to do is eat something sweet. So, jalebi. What a great way to end this whole day of paying out. The jalebi has been made some time ago It hasn't come straight out of the kadai, but it's still crisp. It's slightly warm. It's juicy as hell and not terribly sweet. Exactly the way I like it. The one thing I've learned in Mumbai, when there are people on the street wanting a meal, any time or day, there's always a rush and they will always be fed, like I have today. This brings us to the end of this episode of The Foodie. If you want to write to us at weekend@timenow.tv. We're also on Facebook. Till the next time, it's